to teach you how to properly share audio in Microsoft Teams meetings from your browser. This guide is perfect if you want to enhance your virtual meeting experience and make sure everyone hears the audio you're sharing clearly without any interruptions. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Locate the Sign In button and click it, then enter your login credentials, usually your email and password. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the Teams homepage, which provides access to all your Teams, chats, and upcoming meetings. Next, start your meeting by clicking the Start Meeting button. This opens a new meeting space where you can invite participants and get everything set up. Make sure your camera and microphone are working properly so that your meeting starts smoothly. Once your meeting is underway and you're ready to share your content, look for the Share button in the Teams interface. This is usually represented by an up arrow icon. Clicking this will open a menu with several sharing options. You can choose to share your entire screen, a specific window, or a browser tab, depending on what content you want to present. Selecting the right option ensures the best viewing and audio experience for your participants. Here's the crucial part. If you're sharing a browser tab, you'll see a checkbox labeled Share Tab Audio. Make sure this box is ticked. This small step is essential, as it allows any audio playing from that tab, whether it's a video, presentation, or music, to be shared with everyone in the meeting. Without checking this box, participants might only see your screen without hearing the sound. By following these steps, you'll be able to share audio seamlessly in Microsoft Teams. Everyone in your meeting will be able to follow along with videos, presentations, or other audio content, making your communication more effective and professional. Sharing audio correctly not only improves the quality of your meetings, but also ensures that your ideas, presentations, and discussions are conveyed exactly as intended. This small feature can make a significant difference in virtual collaboration, keeping participants engaged and on the same page. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more practical tips and feel confident in your next Microsoft Teams meeting. Until next time, take care and happy teaming.